hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do.
Hi everyone, I'm Moni. Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you my 4 favorite exercises that completely transformed my glutes. So if you're interested in building your booty, this video is just for you. I also want to say that everyone has a different body structure and different genetics. You have to take these factors into account. You'll never look exactly like someone else, someone who inspires you, maybe some fitness influencer. Even if you eat and train exactly the same, it just doesn't work that way, and you have to accept that fact. But that doesn't mean you'll never reach your dream body. It might just take more effort or more focus on certain areas or exercises. So don't worry. I'll show you exercises that activate the glutes beautifully, and that makes sense. So put on an outfit that makes you feel confident and comfortable, and come build your body with me. Let yourself be inspired. Don't forget your fresh water. Just make sure it's drinkable at your gym. I love these posing videos. Even when I don't feel my best, I love filming my progress and watching how my body changes over time. Because after a while, you stop noticing the changes when you've been training for a longer time. Without recording, I honestly wouldn't even realize I'd made any progress. I can't really see it just looking in the mirror.
Listen and relax. From here on, you don't have to say a word.
Alright, let's get into it. The first exercise is hip thrusts. This is a must-have in your glute routine. If it's not in your training plan yet, definitely add it. You can switch between different variations of this exercise. Today, I chose this machine. You can also try it with a classic barbell, dumbbells, a Smith machine, or even single leg versions. There are plenty of options, so pick what works best for you.
Me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do.
I always start with a warm-up set. This machine is great until the weight gets heavier. Then it starts pressing in a weird way and doesn't feel as good. You'll see later what I mean. If you're not sure about the technique, no stress. That's what I'm here for, and I'll explain everything to you. These tips apply to all variations of this exercise. Place your feet roughly hip width apart. When you sit down and extend your legs, your heels should land where your knees end. Support yourself against something stable so it doesn't move, and rest your upper back on it. Press your heels into the ground. Make sure your back doesn't arch. Keep your core engaged the whole time. The movement involves your whole body. Your head should be facing forward, no leaning back. After the warm-up set, I added more weight and started my first working set. If you're a beginner, I recommend doing 3 to 4 sets. If you're more advanced, 2 sets will be enough. A crucial step is to really squeeze your glutes at the top, like clenching your butt cheeks together. And the last thing you need to know is breathing. You should breathe into your belly. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you go up. For the second and final set, I added more weight. Honestly, I have no idea how many kilos I added, but it wasn't too much. This machine started pressing in a painful way and didn't feel right at all. But maybe it's just a matter of getting used to it. Just a quick reminder, go drink some water now, wherever you are or whatever you're doing. I feel like people don't realize how important hydration is. That's why I keep reminding you. I used to forget too and didn't really care about it. The second exercise is Romanian deadlifts. This one is a must-have in my training. If you're struggling with this movement, the Smith machine might help. Or you can replace it with the good morning exercise. It's up to you. But we're going to take a look at the Romanian deadlift technique. For the first set, I put 5 kilograms on each side. I'm not supposed to go heavy on this lift right now because I'm seeing a physio for an injury. If you're a beginner, definitely don't go too heavy. You could hurt yourself. Again, just like with hip thrusts, you have different options here. You can use dumbbells, the Smith machine, a barbell, or even unilateral versions. Today I'll go with the classic barbell. Feet hip width apart, press your heels into the ground and push your hips back. Keep the bar or weights close to your body. Lower down only as far as your hips allow, usually just below the knees. Your core has to be fully engaged, and again, breathe into your belly. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Don't let your back arch. Keep it engaged the whole time and keep your head in line with your spine. I know it's tempting to check the mirror to see if you're doing it right, but you're better off filming yourself and reviewing it afterward. Otherwise, you could hurt yourself or pinch a nerve. Definitely not fun. For the second set, I added another 5 kilograms per side, but that's where I stopped. This is not an exercise I would take to complete muscle failure, just close to it. Toward the end, your back might start taking over the movement, and that's not what we want. If you can't grip the bar or weights properly, I recommend getting lifting straps. That way you won't be as limited and can lift heavier. Oh, and I almost forgot a common mistake I see. Squeezing your glutes at the top. This isn't a hip thrust. Doing that here is counterproductive. It's totally unnecessary for this movement. In fact, it can do more harm than good, so don't do it. I did 3 sets today, which is rare for me, but I didn't increase the weight any further. I really wanted you to watch this one closely. It helped me a lot in the beginning to watch how others did the exercises, so maybe it'll help you too. The third exercise is Bulgarian split squats. You can swap these with step-ups. I personally prefer step-ups more, but unfortunately I can't do them here, so I had to make do. It's totally up to you which one you prefer or what works better for you. But don't include both in the same workout. That doesn't make sense. Anyway, let's take a look at the technique for Bulgarian split squats. You can do them on the Smith machine. Or for a more stable option, hold a dumbbell in one hand and use the other hand for support. Make sure to choose a proper bench or box The softer it is, the less stability you'll have. If you're not sure how far to place your front foot, just sit down and extend your leg, like I'm doing. I did 2 sets for each leg, but I didn't film the whole thing for you. Lean forward slightly to focus more on the glutes and less on the quads. And once again, don't forget to breathe. In on the way down, out on the way up. The final exercise is kickbacks, a perfect finisher for your workout. You can swap them with abductions if you prefer. I usually alternate between the two. I think I got this band from Shein or AliExpress for just a few euros. Let me repeat this again. Keep your back tight, no arching. Keep your head aligned with your spine. The movement shouldn't come from your entire body, so keep your upper body as tight as possible. There's no need to fling your leg way up. Just a controlled range of motion is more than enough. I did 1 set to failure on each leg. And we're done. I popped into the posing room afterward, of course, but you didn't expect only 4 exercises to be enough, did you? I used to think that way too in the beginning. I believed I needed 7 exercises per workout, but the truth is the opposite. 4 is more than enough. If you make the most out of them, I promise you'll see results. Here I am in the locker room. Even though I'm still posing, trust me, my body isn't perfect either. And maybe I see that too, which is why I feel the need to keep posing, to reassure myself that I can look good. It's a never-ending battle. We'll always want more. Always. It's important to slow down sometimes and stop chasing progress at all costs. We are where we're meant to be, and everything happens for a reason. So let's stop stressing unnecessarily. I really hope today's video was helpful and that you took something away from it. I'll see you again next time.